Hello friends, today we will see user-defined function and modules in Python. A function is a block of instruction that performs an action. Once defined, it can be reused many times. Function make code modular, allowing us to use the same code over and over again. A function is defined by using keyword def, followed by the name of the function, followed by the set of parameters, and ending with colon. This is the syntax for function definition. Def, function name, in parentheses. You can write a single parameter or multiple parameters separated by comma. After the end parentheses, we are required to write colon. The first line of the function definition is function docstring. This is the optional. This gives information related to why the function is written for. Function suite is the set of function instructions. The last statement of the function is return. It returns some value. If it is not returning any value, it will return none. The syntax for function calling is function name in parentheses write down the number of parameters. Now we will execute our program in Thonnet. I will write the program for displaying hello world. Def keyword, after that say hello. This is the name of the function. You can give any name to the function. Print hello. Now this is our function definition. I will write the function calling. For this I am not passing any parameter. I will save this file first. We will execute it. It has displayed hello world. Now we will pass some parameter to this function. I will store some string into str variable. And pass that str variable to our say hello function. Output is Sheetal hello. Now I will write another program to perform arithmetic operation. I will write sum function. For addition of two numbers, we will require two parameters x, y. At the end, we will give colon. Here we will directly write down the sum of x and y. Now we will write our main program from where we will call this sum function. So a is equal to now I will use third variable to assign the return value of this sum function. And I will use print to display the sum value. You can directly write down this sum a comma b into print statement. We will save this program. We will run it. The first number, it will ask for second number, and I got error because I have written here capital Y. I will again save it. Run it. First number, second number, the result is 6. Now, this Python allows the returning of multiple values that we will see. First return value is sum, comma, second value is difference. Now here for sum I will use yes, comma, d. The sequence in which we are returning, the value returned should be assigned in the same sequence. Now here we will print the result. We will save it, execute it. It will ask for first number, ask for second number. We got sum and difference as a 3. Now we will see modules. What is module? Module is the collection of 5 functions, classes and global variables. Grouping related code into a module makes the code easier to understand and use it using simple import statement. We will execute it in Thonny. I will use new file. Module is the collection of the functions. So I will write all the arithmetic functions in this module. This is my first function, second function, at the end of our function we are required to write colon. This is our module. Name of the module is arith. We will create one more module for calculation of area of circle. For area of circle we will require only one parameter. And area of square. This is our module. We will save it as an area. Now we will use our sample file for using these both of modules. Our first module arith is containing 5 different functions and second module area contain 2 functions. Now we will use this function in our third file. For that we are required to write the first statement from arith import sum. After that print sum 2, 3. We will save this. Execute it. Our arithmetic. It has given us the result as 5. Now, if we want to use another function, difference, and save it, execute it, it will give us error because diff is not added to our file. So here we are required to write it and after that execute it so that it will give us the result. Now instead of writing here all the function name, we can write star also. We get the output. If we will write star, it will include all the functions which are written in this module into our program. Now this is our second module. We will import both of modules in our program file. Import arith, area. Here our compiler will not identify whether the sum is from arith or area. For that we are required to write here the module name. And here we will print our circle. These two functions are from first module and this function is from area module. We got the result. This is the output of summation and difference of the value and this is the area of the circle. In this way, we can predefine multiple modules in our programming and use it whenever we will require. So, this is the use of user-defined modules.